Hey you guys, it's Afton and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Me? I'm doing great. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese black-eyed peas stew with chicken in some coconut milk. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious stew, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure you put on your notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright guys, and you guys can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cooking with Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below, and all my measurements and ingredients also will be in the description box down below. Alright, and I want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I have 2 videos already on the channel, and I will leave that link in the description box down below as well. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my delicious Guyanese black-eyed stew in coconut milk. So enjoy. Hey guys, these are my ingredients for my Guyanese black-eyed peas stew with chicken in some delicious coconut milk. So over here I have some chicken season, all-purpose season, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, and chili powder. Over here I have some chopped up onion, ginger, garlic, fine leaf thyme, carrots, sweet pepper, shallots, celery, Wiri pepper, and 1 cube. Over here I have my cut up chicken, and over here I have some more grated ginger and some mustard hot sauce and green seasoning. And also we have some coconut milk. And over here I have my black-eyed peas. Actually I soaked this overnight and then I boiled it for about 35 minutes. So it's all soft and ready now to make the stew. First thing I'm going to do, guys, is season up my chicken. So I have some mustard hot sauce here and some green seasoning. Put it on the chicken here. I have some grated ginger. Put it right there. And over here, I'm gonna put in some black pepper, chicken seasoning, onion powder, ginger powder, and some paprika. And I'm gonna mix everything together. And I'm gonna let this marinate for about 20 minutes. But for best results, you can let it marinate overnight. But I'm just gonna let it marinate for 20 minutes. Okay guys? So we'll be back. So guys, you're gonna fry up our chicken now. So in the pot here, I'm gonna pour in about 2 tablespoons of oil. So now I'm gonna put in my chicken. Fry it for about a couple minutes and we'll be back. So guys, my chicken has been frying for about 5 minutes. After 2 minutes I covered the pot, and I just put in the pot. I haven't put any water or anything in it. The chicken, the fat from the chicken forms in oil. So this is how it is right now. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour in my veggies. I was supposed to put in the veggies before, but what the hell, it's gonna still be delicious. So I'm gonna pour in my shallots, celery, carrots, sweet pepper, ginger, everything I'm gonna pour in here. When you're in a hurry, it's a bad thing. I'm such in a hurry to cook. So the kids are hungry and I have to go on the road as well, so I'm in a hurry. And in Guyana here we have pizza, so I'm trying to go on the road and come back before the curfew. So I'm gonna mix up my veggies now with my chicken, just like this. It's gonna be so delicious, guys. My black eyed chili chicken and coconut milk. It's gonna be so good. And you guys will enjoy this recipe. And guys, if you reached so far in the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright? And you can leave a nice comment in the video as well. Tell me when you guys try the recipe. You guys can leave a comment and tell me how you guys enjoyed it. Alright, so we're gonna let it fry a couple more minutes and we'll be back. Okay guys, my veggies and my chicken has been frying for a couple minutes. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna put in your black eyed peas. So this is my black eyed peas here, and I also gonna pour in some of the water from the peas into the pot here. And I'm gonna mix everything up. Just like this. And also I'm going to pour in my coconut milk in the pot. We're going to mix everything together just like this. So now you're going to flavor the pot. I'm going to put in a cube. So I have some black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, chili powder, paprika. I'm gonna mix this up just like this. Guys, you see a difference in the phone? The phone just got overheated again, so it's a little dark. Sorry about that. So now I'm going to cover my pot and let this boil down. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so it has been 50 minutes so far since my black eyed stew's been boiling. I'm just gonna give it a stir. Guys, if you smell my kitchen, this kitchen smells. Can't wait to eat this black eyed stew, guys. It's smelling so good. Just stir it up a little bit here, and I'm going to, the water gone down a little bit, but I need it to get a little bit more thicker. So I'm going to cover it back and let it boil for another 10 more minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my black eyed stew is all done now. So this is how it's looking. My black eyed stew with chicken and coconut milk. Can't wait to bite into this. So I'm gonna plate it now and I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my black eyed stew with chicken and coconut milk, it's all done. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. So here it is here. You know I have to eat my mustard hot pepper. So let's taste it. Here it goes. Wow. This stew is so delicious, guys. You guys really need to try this recipe, trust me. You really need to try it. Got one more spoon. This is a good black eyed peas stew, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up Oh my god, my baby. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, and also subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. Alright, so hope everyone have a blessed day and take care, and bye.